What is information? Some people say that data is information, but this is not precise enough. Not all data is information. Data becomes information when it answers a question. For example, September 25th, 1991 is data, but it is not information until you understand its association with other data. Someone's birthday, for example. So information is defined by associations of data that answer questions. Imagine a technology that knows every association that exists regardless of the amount or type of data, and provides guidance to answers based on the strength of the associations combined with choices that you make, essentially allowing you to interact directly with information in real time, continuously providing guidance to every possible answer while complementing your natural curiosity. For a demonstration, let's explore every patient encounter for every California hospital from 2010 through 2013. This is SpeedTrack's Patient Information Discovery Platform for California Healthcare. The first thing you'll notice when you look at the application is you can see information about the entire breadth and range of data that's available in these three separate databases. I have over 8.1 million ambulatory surgery patient encounters, 41 million ER visits, and almost 16 million inpatient discharges, comprising over 65 million total patient encounters for the most recent 4 years of data that are available from 2010 through 2013. You'll also notice that the individual data elements from all the fields of information in these underlying databases are categorized in these various tables. I can see facility name. There's 613 unique facility names in this list, and just by looking at the list I can see that Los Angeles County USC Medical Center has had the greatest number of patient encounters for the most recent 4 years at over 625,000. So the first thing you'll notice is it's like opening up a window across your entire data space. I can see every field value from every field and the distribution of those field values as they're associated with every record, or in this case patient encounter, across the entire universe of data. So just by clicking in these various tabs, I can see every piece of data that's available for me to explore by MSDRG, service lines, whether it was medical or surgical record, diagnoses, procedures, etc. But what really makes it powerful is my ability to interact directly with the information, explore, and satisfy my curiosity. For example, if I'm interested in exploring, let's say, knee surgeries, I can just start typing knee in the inpatient procedure classification category. I can see there's over 230,000 arthroplasty knee procedures that have been performed over the last 4 years. When I click on it, every category immediately adjusts to reflect back all the information associated this week with these knee arthroplasties. So I went from over 65 million encounters down to the 230,000. But more importantly, as I click on the different tabs, they're reflecting back every piece of information associated with these procedures. For example, I can see that Hoag Orthopedic Institute leads the state with over 4,800 knee procedures for the last 4 years. I happen to know that Hoag is located in Orange County, California, so I can continue my exploration by clicking on Orange County, reducing to the 17,991 procedures associated with Orange County, and look at what Hoag's market share has been for the last 4 years. If I want to analyze this further, I can just open up my data analysis window, look at the distribution by these hospitals. I see that Hoag is at the top. Here's the frequency by year for the last 4 years, average length of stay for these procedures, average age of these particular patients, etc. And I can do a comparison on the fly across all of these hospitals. If I want to create a quick report, let's say of just the hospitals that had at least 100 patients in 2013, 105 was the lowest at Los Alamitos Medical Center. I can quickly do that just by using my Shift key and copy and paste this into an Excel spreadsheet to share this information on the fly. If I want to create a map of this information, I can just go down to the bottom of the application and click on the Map All button to quickly create a map using Google. You can see it's a heat map. I can change the colors to see the distribution by density of patient by zip code and relative to where the hospitals are located. So what SpeedTrack applications are is essentially a navigation device that allow you to interactively explore and discover what information may exist anywhere in your data silos, quickly and intuitively, without having to interact with your IT department or specially trained analysts to guess what you may be looking for.